So, as a clinical professor of law, I supervise law students, second and third year law students, on real live legal cases. And so they get experience practicing law before they graduate and go out into the world. And so they're the lead attorneys on their cases, and I supervise their work and they practice under my license. I'm interested in health justice, particularly as it involves children and their families. And I'm also interested in interprofessional education, so bringing together learners from different professions and different disciplines and having them in the classroom learning together. As part of my interest in interprofessional education, I think it's really important to create a space where law students and medical students can learn together. And so here at Duke University, we really value interprofessional practice and learning. There was a faculty fellowship that was offered, and I applied and was accepted, and I was able to partner with instructors from the medical school to work on this course. And so we received support from Bass Connections and Learning Innovations and other professors across the institution who were doing the same thing. We have professors from various law schools coming together to design a course that is co-taught and enroll students from different schools. In previous semesters, we covered mandated reporting. And so students got to learn about the legal system and how child welfare works. And they also got to learn about mandated reporters and the people who actually implement these laws. It's a collaborative projects course. And so while they're learning substantive law and they're listening to guest speakers, they get to also go out into community and interview stakeholders to really find out how these laws and how these practices are implemented in the community and what they might change. The magic really happens when they develop their final presentation, which is a solution to a problem that they've identified. Law students often don't operate within the medical setting, and so just learning the values of the medical profession, great questions to ask medical professionals in various settings in their future careers. And then also on the same note, the medical students often have fear of attorneys, and so learning that as far as child welfare cases, we all kind of have the same interests in mind. And so learning that lawyers aren't so scary and that they can collaborate with lawyers to have great outcomes for their patients.